Introduction to databases.
A database is a system for storing, organizing, and managing information. Instead of keeping files or notes in random places, a database helps you keep everything in one central, searchable location. Databases can be as simple as a list of names or as complex as massive systems running entire websites, helping businesses and individuals keep their data safe and easy to access.
Why do we use databases?
Databases help us handle large amounts of information efficiently. When storing hundreds, thousands, or millions of records, a database keeps everything organized and makes searching, updating, or deleting information fast and reliable. They're used in everything from banking systems and hospitals to social media and online shopping, making everyday processes smoother and more secure.
Core concepts, tables, and records.
Most databases organize data into tables, similar to a spreadsheet. Each table holds information about one type of thing, like people or products. A single entry in a table is called a record, and each piece of information in a record, like a name or a date, is called a field. This structure keeps data organized and easy to work with.
How do databases work?
Databases use special software called a Database Management System, or DBMS, to handle data. The DBMS lets users add, find, change, or delete information with simple commands. Popular DBMS examples include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. These systems help ensure that data stays accurate, up-to-date, and protected from unauthorized access.
Conclusion: the power of databases.
Databases are the backbone of modern information systems. By organizing data in a logical way, they allow businesses and individuals to store, retrieve, and analyze information quickly and safely. Whether you realize it or not, databases play a key role in many parts of daily life, powering apps, websites, and services we use every day.